Welcome to the Daily Mouse Clicks, and today we're going to do a brief overview of the Favorites bar. We're using Internet Explorer today. We know we keep our favorites under the star, and I have quite a large collection, but sometimes you want to have quicker access to the websites that you use on a regular basis. So if you put your mouse any place over the top here, click Favorites bar. I have nothing located in the Favorites bar right now, but we're going to add the Daily Mouse Clicks. So click the star, add to Favorites, and you're going to create this in the Favorites bar. It's listed in your history. Just go to the Favorites bar and click Add. And now I have quick access to the Daily Mouse Clicks. You have a great day. Thank you.